Hey everyone, thanks for listening to the Grow Your Life podcast. My name is Jeremiah Krakowski, and in this podcast we talk about ways for you to grow in your life, your business, to reach more clients, and to have the kind of coaching or online course business that you've always wanted. Now, I've been in the online course business space for over 21 years, and I've helped some of the top mentors in the world scale their businesses over tens of millions of dollars. I've personally built multiple coaching businesses over $10 million a year in profit. And that's what I want to help you with, is how to do that in your own business, whether you're just getting started. And growing your email list is the number one thing that you absolutely must be doing. Bar none. Email is not dead. We use social media to attract people, to find the right people. We use podcasts to help nurture. We use YouTube to help connect with messaging with people. We have trainings that deliver value to people and sell our programs. But our email list is where it all kind of connects together. And maybe you found this through my email list. I actually have an email list that people join through different trainings and things that we've done. And I send links to our videos and our podcasts and different things that we offer through that to people. The reason why you want to grow your email list is this. And again, you might be like, well, I don't open every email that I get. That's true. And that's why you want to be emailing your list consistently. That's why you don't want to just email it once a week, because the chances of you actually having somebody open something from you once or twice a week, very low. But if you're consistently sending value multiple times a week, I would even urge you to say you can email your list twice a day, and it's okay. If you're delivering value, if it's not just spam, if it's not just you selling stuff, but you actually say, hey, I got this video here that's got this training. Hey, here's a little nugget for you that could help you. And that nurtures trust and relationship with people. Now, not everybody's going to want to read those emails, but the ones who do, and the ones who stick around, and the ones who actually listen to you, those are the ones who are celebrating you, and you're celebrating them, and it's building connection and community, and it becomes this beautiful thing that you all get to come together around, and it makes this amazing experience that everybody loves to be a part of. And so to grow our email list, there's a number of different ways that we do this. Number one, it's real simple. If you just tell people you have an email list, they can join. You know, if you go to my site, jeremiahkrakowski.com, there's literally a newsletter join button on there. I actually should probably just put a page together that says, hey, listen, if you want to get some, pieces like my latest updates, pieces of advice, trainings, I send trainings out every single week, join the email list. I probably should do that. I actually just saw a guy do that recently. That's another way to grow your email list. If you have trainings consistently that you send out like I do. I don't know why I haven't done that. Another one could be a freebie. I have a freebie. It's a ChatGPT prompt download. I'm going to show it to you here real quick. If you go over to my website, you can find this. It's got some of my best prompts that I've been using and we've been using to create sales copy and messaging and help us with our courses and our trainings right here over at my website. 8-figure ChatGPT prompts right here. Download the ultimate prompt document. You can type in your email address. You can get access to it instantly right there. Download the document, and it's a Google Doc that you can access. And we have people who are accessing it every single day to be able to do this. By the way, ChatGPT now is free, and so anybody can use these prompts to help them in their business to grow and to brainstorm a lot of incredible ideas for their offers. Okay? So that's one thing. You could literally just have a Google Doc be a download that you could give somebody. That doesn't take a lot to create. Some of y'all are like, oh, I need to create an ebook. No, you could literally just make a Google Doc that you could share with somebody. And that's your download. We got to stop overthinking it. The value that we deliver, you don't want to try to deliver when we're growing our email list, this big, massive transformation that's going to change people's lives. That's what comes later in your coaching program. But you deliver one key element of what's going to solve a problem for them. Maybe it helps them figure out an idea for a course, or an idea for a business, or an idea for an email list. Videos like this are another great example. By the way, if you're looking for ideas for freebies to give away, this is a strategy I tell all my clients. It's huge. YouTube is your number one resource for searching for ideas for freebies. Let me explain. The most viewed YouTube videos on any specific topic, and you can start to search in YouTube for different topics. Let's in fact just go here right now and let's do this live while I'm talking about this. If I go over to YouTube and I type in, how to price your coaching program. Okay, I was actually looking that up earlier. Not a ton of, that one's got 67,000 views, but let's click on that and then let's see what's on the sidebar here. Creating your first coaching program. What to say when clients say your price is too high. how to design your coaching package. Okay, that might be even better than how to price your program. In fact, think of it this way, 2 offers: how to price your coaching program or how to design your first coaching package. Which one sounds a little more appealing? Definitely the second one. And you can see right here by the amount of views that this video has gotten that that's actually a really great topic. I'm actually going to subscribe to her channel because you know what? That's a really great key there. I can tell she's got some great energy going on here. She's got a lot of really good content. I have never heard of her before, but I'm already a fan just by the vibe that I'm picking up just by watching this right there. Okay? And so all that to say is that those are great ways to come up with ideas for freebies. And again, it might not be the first video you click. This first video here, okay, was one idea. And you can notice a lot of these haven't even cracked 10,000 views. I try to find things that have a little bit more than the 10,000 views. But if you click on a video, go look at, if you're on your computer, what's on the sidebar. And you will find ideas that are related to your niche. How to become a health coach from scratch, right here. Again, that's another great topic that you could literally create a freebie around. Right there is guiding people through that process. This whole video is like a masterclass on what you could create a freebie around, and then you could teach something similar to that. Okay? So another thing that you can do, another thing that you can offer is it can either be a document or it could be a video training for a freebie to grow your email list. It could be an audio recording, a podcast. It could be a video recording. It could be a video training. One thing that we are finding is a lot of people are wanting on-demand, instant access versus having to wait time for stuff, okay? Now, I'm a big fan of hosting as our lead magnets live events and even webinars. And I think it's a great way to build trust with people because you're requiring them to show up at a specific time. But here's how I like to use that now, is what we're finding is that a lot of people, their attention span is a lot lower. So if we can deliver value in a free way to get people on our email list, watching YouTube content, watching video content, and they can get instant access to stuff, that instant gratification triggers something in people's minds that if they are the right qualified prospect, you can then retarget them with something that's live, and that's where you can make a good sales presentation. That's where you can actually deliver a better sales presentation. So you don't sell a lot on your email list stuff, on your lead magnet. You don't do like a hard sell on that. You can mention what you have for sale. You can give them an opportunity, but your goal is not to hard sell. The goal is to continue to nurture that trust with them as far as that goes. You still want to give them an opportunity, I would say today, to sign up with you. You don't want to make it to where people have to wait. But you want to also create some urgency as well. Maybe expiring bonuses, maybe some free offers, things like that. A great way to word that could be, this is the lowest price it will ever be. This is only guaranteed until this day. I like that language because you could move the guarantee up if you want to. And it's also honest and has some integrity behind that language as far as that way, because you're only guaranteeing that these freebies are going to be offered during that time. You're only guaranteeing that the price is going to be up to that time as far as that goes, okay? So again, to grow your email list, it's something of value that you're delivering to people. How do we figure out what those things are of value that we can deliver to people? Well, here's what I look for. So I look for what is the transformation that I deliver to my main clients. And then what my goal is to actually listen to what are they wanting from me. Now, another great way to do it is you can also look at, again, like I said, YouTube videos. Great way to find topics for freebies. Really is. It's where I find a lot of them. That's where I recommend a lot of my clients find the topics, is see what those YouTube video titles are. But you can also look at who in your niche, what freebies are your niche using. And now a lot of people are attaching their freebies to their YouTube videos. So you could also go deeper in the YouTube journey and look at across somebody's channel, what are their most recent videos, and then what is the freebie that they're giving to their market. You can put your own spin on that topic of the freebie and find that. Let's take a look here I'm just going to just blindly go find somebody's freebie off of a YouTube that we could look at. In fact, let's look right here. What she has right here. Oh, look at free blueprint for breaking free from 9 to 5. This is the lady that I just subscribed to right now. Free blueprint for breaking free from 9 to 5. And so you can get instant access to this PDF right here by typing in your info. I'm gonna just type it in just to kind of see. Okay. And oh, look at this. Want my strategy? So check your inbox. Here it is. Want my strategy? Yes. Reserve my seat now. And so what she's using is she has the PDF freebie, which is low commitment. But then number 2, oh, that button doesn't seem to be working. Oh, here we go. So it's a webinar that gives you a full framework, and you can watch this webinar after you grab that freebie. 4-step framework to go from employee to entrepreneur. Again, that's another great way to do it, where she had the PDF freebie right here to grow the email list, but then immediately gives you an invitation to go through with a longer form training. That's another great way to do it, where you can give them an additional secondary offer after the PDF freebie to watch a longer form piece of content with you. And I find that works really well as well. So again, delivering value, whatever your offer is, whatever your niche is, whatever your topic is, you can deliver value to people to grow your email list. And then you want to be emailing your list with value consistently, always looping back to in your longer form messaging, whether it be YouTube content, whether it be webinars, whether it be video trainings, always looping forward to the fact that you have a program that you'd love to see them join, that they can either apply with you, they can book a call with you, or like my program, they can just jump in by taking advantage of a free trial with us. And again, I'd love to work with you as far as that goes. If you're a coach, if you're a mentor, if you're a trainer, if you're somebody who's looking to grow your email list, you're looking to accelerate yourself, my Client Growth Accelerator program, we actually offer a 14-day trial that you can jump in on that, to try it out, to check it out, and become a client of ours. We have some free courses that we give you as well for jumping into that, just to say thank you, that are yours to keep forever, just for becoming a part of that Client Growth Accelerator program. So again, I'd love to see you in there. I'd love to work with you further in my Accelerator program and start to get you more results in your business faster. All right? We'll talk to you soon. Have a good one, everybody.